Hello dear students, welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Enlist resources. Myself Dr. Uday Jadhav, librarian, Camp Education Societies, Dr. Arvind B. Telan, Senior College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Nigri, Pune. Today we will see how to use various resources available under Enlist program. Here you can see screenshot of Enlist website. This is website of Enlist, enlist.infinite.ac.in. If we see what is Enlist, it is National Library and Information Services infrastructure for scholarly content. Here you can see it is an initiative of MHRD as a college component of eShodh Sindhu consortium with access to 6,000 plus journals and 31 lakh 35,000 plus ebooks. You can also see that who are eligible for this membership, for the membership of Enlist. All government aided colleges covered under section 12B of UGC Act, as well as non-aided colleges, but except agriculture, engineering, management, medical, pharmacy, dentistry and nursing. Here you should note one thing, that Enlist is not open resource. It is not freely available. You cannot search its resources directly. Your college has to take membership of Enlist so that you can get email ID, user ID and password for accessing the resources of Enlist. For that you should contact librarian of your college so that you can get user ID as well as password for accessing Enlist resources. In next step we will see how to search practically Enlist resources. Now we will see how to use practically Enlist resources. For that, open any search engine. For example, I am using here Google. In search window, just type Enlist. You will get website of Enlist, enlist.infinite.ac.in. Just click on that website. You will be directed to home page of Enlist. As earlier I have described what is Enlist and how it is developed, for whom it is developed, who are eligible. You can see here. This is home page. Also we can see here various tabs. For example, home, about, members, register, e-resources, search. We will see one by one. Home, that is home page of this website. About, if you want to know more about Enlist, you can click on that. You will be directed to about Enlist information. You can explore it on your own search. Then next tab is members. Here if you scroll down, you can see how to join college status, state-wise list, search college. All these are for colleges. This option is only for college. Then fourth option is register. It is also for colleges to register on the Enlist. Here two options are for us. We can directly search if we know any document or any resource by name, title, then we can search here. But maximum I would request to search through e-resources. Before that, just uh, go to home page. Here we can see some interesting statistics. uh, 3,402 beneficiary colleges are enrolled under Enlist. 8 lakh active users are using Enlist resources. In month of May 2020, activated users are 9,231. Here you can see administrator login. It is for administrator of college. Then payment receipt, this is also information for college. Here we can also get what's new, information about what is new in Enlist. Here and near cursor you can see top 10 college users. Enlist displays top 10 college users which have used more Enlist resources. Then we will go to e-resources and will actually search resources available in Enlist. Here you can see various e-resources are listed under Enlist. These are subscribed e-journals and e-books. We can see e-journals which are in full text. These are the names of journals, e-journals. American Institute of Physics. In bracket it shows how many titles that journal contains. Here we can see American Institute of Physics contains 18 titles. On right hand side there is website of that journal. If we see one by one, annual reviews 33 titles, economic and political weekly 1 title, Indian journals 180 plus titles, Institute of Physics 46 titles, JSTOR 2500 titles, Oxford University Press 262 titles, Royal Society of Chemistry 29 titles, H.W. Wilson 3000 titles, Cambridge University Press 224 titles. On right hand side you can see websites of respective journals. Then next option is ebooks. Cambridge Books Online, in bracket how many titles are there are displayed. It contains 1800 titles. This is website of that ebook site. Then eBrary 1,50,000 titles. Ibisco Host Net Library 936 titles. Hindustan Book Agency 65 titles. Institute of Southeast Asian Studies books 382 titles. Oxford Scholarship 1402 titles. Springer eBooks 2300 titles. Sage Publication eBooks 1000 titles. Taylor Francis eBooks 1800 titles. My Library McGraw-Hill 1124 titles. World's eBook Library more than 30 lakh titles are there. South Asia Archive, it is available through NDL. If you want to search any resource in this, you have to just click on that website. If we click on Indian Journals website, it will redirect us to the further available resources. As I said earlier, you should have your username and password from your college authorities to log in to further explore journals. I am using here my email ID. Login. you will get information about Indian journals. Here you can see subject wise journals: agriculture, applied science, management, and many more, medical, social sciences. If you want to search journals on social science, you can click on that. Also there is search window in which you can search journals by name if you are aware about their names. See here we can see details: World Affairs, year 2006, volume 11th, issue 2nd. You can get also PDF files. Here on left hand corner you can see journal home, current issue, archive issues, and other information. You can search it later. Now we will go back and search one ebook also. We have searched journal from Indian journals. Now one book we will search from World's ebook library. It has more than 30 lakh titles. It may take some time to search. Here we can see World's ebook library homepage. Here various e-resources are arranged according to various categories. First is how to tutorials, WPL, popular picks. We can scroll down and see daily picks, timeless classics selected, sacred books, audio books collection, local favorites in Gujarat, quantifying the universe, human expression, history of healing, history's classroom, quantifying the universe, order, world's wealth, words of the people, words within words. Like this, you can search any resource by clicking on that. If we click on Python basics, it will redirect us to that ebook. It is searching. Okay, no problem, you can see it later. I will click on another option. Does it opens? We will see timeless classics by clicking on 1984 by George Orwell. It is taking some time, but anyway you can search by following this procedure and can explore various e-resources available in Enlist database. Hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Thank you.